goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual, it's inexplicable.
So welcome back to Half Baked Hair Review. So today I'm going to be doing another new unit. If you like the content that I'm giving you, please just do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think about it. So today is going to be the Sensational Lace Unit 2 on the color T230. It has a deep center part, baby hair, and it says it's safe for heat from 350 to 400 degrees. So this is what the stock card looks like. So let me take it out and show you what it's looking like out of the box. Right out of the box, this is what it's looking like. Doesn't seem too long, seems about this length. Has baby hairs around the perimeter. Deep center lace part. Combs near the ears. One in the back, and standard adjustable straps. So let's pop it on and see what it looks like. So this is how it's looking with the lace still on. Doesn't really look like it needs any plucking or anything like that. The parting space looks good off the back. So I guess we'll just cut it off, try it back on, and see what it looks like. So this is what it's looking like with the lace cut off. I'm actually liking it. I think the parting's really nice. The style is cute. It's simple, but I like it. The texture is definitely Yaki. More Yaki than soft Yaki. It's a little bit humpy. It comes to my boom, so it's a pretty good length. It's like that natural length. So this is everything to the front, to the side. And it's everything to the back. I think it's like a cute, simple solo look. I'm just gonna add some concealer and try to do a little bit of a style with it. feel like I like this one a lot. There's definitely a good amount of styles you can do with it, as you saw, and not much work at all. The only thing is really cute. Like, I feel like a soccer mom or something, but a cute one. So I think this is a good one. Not much maintenance, it doesn't feel like. Not getting any tangling, no shedding. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan of it. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you like this video, just let me know. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe. Yeah, but anyways, thanks for checking out this video, and I hope to see you again. Bye.
I'm a legend, we never die. Ay, since we've been talking about it, took all my flows off the rack and I gave them a polish. Ay, won't even acknowledge it unless it's $1 for spitting these raps. I'm a pollen boy. Been chilling with trappers, they know me. I've been in apartments when they were all bagging up. Respect me or hate it, since y'all have been babies, been paving the way for you rappers. Now, ay, look at me switching it, actually spitting shit. Y'all have been madder and having an actual heart attack, ready to battle me. All cause you mad at me was the collateral.